kama saizi some of the demonstration organized, some people organized with the pseudo accounts. We cannot have a demonstration where there is no leader. We need to have a demonstration where there is an agenda. Before we know where we come from, this country has been built through demonstration. We know that. We have come up with the Constituent 10 through hard way people going to demonstration. But the agenda has to be there. You cannot just go to the streets. Where is the agenda?
So much has taken place last year. You know the challenge that is currently going on in our country, the idea of abduction. We pray that the Lord may see us through by giving us good leadership, that by the good Lord also to grant us the love for one another